Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I want to take you on a bike ride today around Stanley Park in Vancouver. This is our crew, Oscar, Nate, and Matthew. Now, if you want to go around Stanley Park virtually with me, turn up the volume, listen to the ambient sounds, and keep on watching. Let's go! So for today's route, we're going to start from English Bay on your left side over there. And if you go through the bay, you will find a beach called Second Beach, and then there's goes around to Seawall and Third Beach. Stanley Park is one of my favorite park in Vancouver. It's really gorgeous, beautiful, and huge. It's like 400 hectares. So it's located between the downtown and North Vancouver. I really recommend you to come and visit and stroll around this park whenever you come to Vancouver.
Two ways to watch it.
Oh, the ducks! Oh, the ducks! The ducks! Go on! Oh.
God damn it!
Why you do this?
No.
Uy.
Guys, that you? My back?
Yeah,
My wife following?
I guess.
You cannot look in your back?
I cannot.
Why is that?
I don't know.
I think I know.
And now we're entering the Lost Lagoon area. So this huge lagoon has a lot of wildlife that naturally close to humans, so they are not afraid of us. On the lake, you can always see ducks, geese, herons, sometimes blue or gray herons, while at the forest there are squirrels, various types of birds, and also raccoons. And if you're lucky enough, you can see beavers or eagle as well here in Vancouver. It's funny that we live very close to wildlife. It's cool, hey? But please don't feed or annoy them, as it can disturb the habitat and ecosystem. Next area is Stanley Park Seawall. This place is really cool. It's an impressive 8.8 kilometers route around the park and connects to the downtown area. So this is one of the most visited places in Vancouver by tourists and locals. That allows you to chill, bike, walk your paths, picnic, or actually doing nothing, like literally. I like to just put on headset, like listen to songs and just sit down, breathe a nice air. It's very nice because it's flat, so people of all ages and abilities can walk the space together. I'd say Vancouver is really pretty and unique because you can find a lot of things at the same time, like mountains, beach, lakes, coastals, and also downtown, as in cities. Like you can just see from the first beginning in the video, the English Bay, remember? So it's actually a beach, guys, that connects right away to downtown, to cities, and that's very beautiful. And then you walk or bike a little bit, you will find forests with the wildlife around, and then you find lakes. And then, of course, if you look around, the mountains, the mighty mountains just framing the city. It's gorgeous. The bridge that you see over there is called Lion Bridge. It connects downtown Vancouver to the North Vancouver district. And right at this moment, we're going to walk, so there will be a walking space that sometimes you can see seals around. Like in this video actually, but I'm sorry I don't bring my tele, so probably it's not gonna be that clear. That's it, the half part of Stanley Park, you guys. Thank you so much for biking virtually with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to bring you again to the other part of this park because it's so big. Or shoot me a request of any place you'd like me to visit virtually with you. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'll see you next time. Bye!